10 healthy habits to add to your life. Habits matter. If you've ever tried to break a bad habit, you know how ingrained it can be. Well, good habits also take root. Why not work on making positive habits a part of your daily life? Let's look at the 10 habits that will help you progress in your life. 1. Take care of your body. First of all, most adults need at least 7 hours of sleep each night. No matter how much our modern society urges us to sleep less, we know that getting enough sleep is important for health, brain function, and emotional well-being. Second, exercise isn't just for the body. Regular exercise can help reduce symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression while boosting self-esteem and well-being. Even a little physical activity can make a difference. Third, incorporating a healthy diet into your life is essential if you want to maintain your overall health. Trending diets and lifestyles are all the rage, but the truth is that simple changes and swaps can lead to big results in the health sector. 2. Acknowledge the unhappy moments. A positive attitude is generally a good thing, but bad things happen to everyone. It's just part of life. Acknowledge your feelings of unhappiness and allow yourself to experience it for a moment. Can deep breathing help? Long walks outside? Would you talk to someone about it? Wait for the moment to pass and take care of yourself. Remember that no one is happy all the time. 3. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Whether it's on social media, at work, or in a spinning class, you can easily enter a place where you compare yourself to others. Result: you may experience more frustration, lower self-esteem, and even depression and anxiety. It may take practice to stop comparing yourself to others, but it's worth it to find inner peace and happiness. 4. Take time for self-care. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect self-care. Relax after a week of work with a long hot bath, or go out to dinner with a friend. Enjoy a walk in nature. Have a pajama party at home. Whatever it is, make time for things you enjoy. 5. Ditch your devices. Unplug. Really unplug. But there is growing evidence that excessive phone use can cause changes in the brain and affect mood. Turn off all electronic devices and put away your earbuds for at least an hour once a week. Be aware of your surroundings. Be social. Be alone. Just be. 6. Take time to reflect. Take some time to catch up with yourself. How are you doing? What have you been up to? Are you happier than you were a year ago? Are your goals still the same? People change. Are you still happy the way you are going? There is no shame in changing your plans and goals, even if they sound nice on paper. 7. Declutter. Tidying up sounds like a big project, but even just 20 minutes a week can make a big difference. Pick a specific area in a room and spend 20 minutes clearing it out. Get rid of things you don't use or need, and give the things you want to keep their own place. You can do this trick once a week, once a day, or whenever you feel your space is getting out of control. 8. Let go of grudges. Often this is easier said than done, but remembering that you're not necessarily doing it for someone else can help you be more open about starting the process. Offering forgiveness or resentment is sometimes more self-care than compassion for others. 9. Budget and track your spending. It's easy to discard small expenses, but the reality is that they always add up. Know where your money is going. Take control. Budgeting is a good habit and can have a big impact on your financial life. The money you spend on a luxurious lifestyle or unnecessary items can be saved and invested in your future instead. 10. Take action. It's a cliche we've all heard many times, but many of us don't do it. In fact, we do the exact opposite. We hesitate. We do not act for a variety of reasons that hinder our progress and our ability to achieve any of the goals we have set. The best way to beat procrastination is to apply the 15-minute rule. Pick the thing you've been procrastinating on the longest, set a timer on your phone for 15 minutes, and commit to doing it for that amount of time. Why only 15 minutes, you ask? Well, first, break the vicious circle of inaction. Second, after 15 minutes, you have the momentum, so you can keep going. So, the bottom line of this video, it all boils down to small steps you can take each day that will help you build the right repertoire of habits that will allow you to achieve what you truly desire. What habits work well for you? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Please like and subscribe for more amazing videos.